और जनाब तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
Today, we are going to see how we can track the word count and letter count in a sentence. Okay, so let's go into our code. So here is the Visual Studio Code, and I will be using GitHub Copilot chat to perform this operation. Okay, so here is the chat panel actually. Here I'll be entering all the commands so that it can give me the desired code for word count and letter count. Okay, so let's go over here. Okay, so I will be using Python code. Okay, guys, so Python code to accept input string from the user and to display displays the total number of words and letters present in the string. Okay, so as we said, it is going to calculate the number of words and number of letters present in a string. Okay, and how we are going to give the string? It is with the help of the input. Okay, that means it will ask input from the user. It will ask me enter the string, and I'm going to give the string or the sentence, and it is going to calculate the word count and the letter count. Okay, guys, so let's see. I am entering here. Okay, Python code to accept input string. Okay, so our code is ready. So it is using the split method and replace method. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, so our code is ready. But before that, an important update. As you all aware that AI is taking over the world. Okay, in such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI. So you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay. And all the installation steps of this GitHub Copilot chat with Visual Studio Code and other AI tools will be explained detail in our Be10x program. Okay, so make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Okay, guys. So now let's go into the code. Okay, so here is a simple code, guys. Okay, it is a simple code and it is using the split and the replace. Okay, so as I said, you can use this because this is our panel, right? Right side is our panel. We want the code to be present over here, right? So you can copy this or you can use this insert a cursor. It will come over here. Okay, simple. Okay, so in a 4 lines of code. Okay, otherwise imagine if you would have done means with the help of without any method or function, you need to use loops and you need to check, you need to increment some operator, you need to keep some extra separate variable. That variable has to be filled with the previous letter count and then it has to be initialized. So these are the operations you might have faced earlier, right? Unless you know these type of replace keyword or the replace method or the split method, if you would not have aware, you would have been end up in spending more time in coding. Okay, so now it's not like that. Okay, so now it is so now let me run the code. Okay, so I am run without debugging code. Okay, I'm entering the string. Okay, welcome to Be10x learning. Okay, so the total number of word is 4. Okay, 4, and the total number of letters 22. I am executing some other word. Okay, wishing you all the best. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 words. Okay. And letter is 20. You can check it actually. Okay. So this is the best part, guys. Okay. So in 5 lines of code, your work has been finished. Okay. Especially, definitely, it will help you. You can make your prompt further such that you need to keep it in a separate variable, and that variable has to be printed like that. Also, you can use. So that is the advantage of this GitHub Copilot chat. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay. So keep practicing. Okay. Make use of these AI tools to be more productive. Okay. See you again. Bye. Take care.